Welcome to this video, and we will now create a Facebook page. So this one, for those of you who already know how to create a Facebook page, you can skip this video. But for those of you who do not know how to create a Facebook page, this is the video for you, okay? So, just a caveat guys, ang Facebook ay nagbabago-bago. Yung interface niya, ibig sabihin yung itsura niya, ay nagbabago. So at the time of this recording, this is where you can find the Facebook page and here up above. So you can go here and then makikita mo yung mga Facebook pages na yan and then you can click on create new page. That's one way to go. And then dito naman, you can also create a page here. So dalawa yung pwede mong puntahan to create a page. Now, going here, so ito na yung itsura niya. Cancel ko lang yung mga chat. This is my personal account that I am doing to do, anong tawag dito, demo. So, ayan. Let's go ahead and create a page. Let's say, for example, freelance to freedom. Ayokong gamitin yun. Kasi nagawa ako ng page for you guys. Sige, freelance. Practice na lang muna. Kasi, the reason being, yung freelance to freedom, gagawa ko ng sariling page doon mamaya, pero nang hindi ako nagsasalita on the camera para mas ko siya, mas ma-internalize ko siya. Para mas maayos. But for the purpose of practicing and showing you how to do this, so you have to have, of course, the name of the page, tapos yung category. You can type something to get started. So, let's say, for example, coaching, coach, personal coach. How about business? Pwede rin. So, isipin mo, ano yung possible category nun? So, halimbawa, kung gumagawa ka ng page for a client, dentist, ganyan, general dentist or doctor. Okay? So, hanapin mo, ano yung niche niya? Gym. Ganyan. Okay? Networking. Meron bang networking? Pwedeng internet marketing service. Dami. Okay, so, freelance practice. Let's say, pagpalagay na lang natin coach. Personal coach or coach na lang. Tapos, you put your description. What is your business about? This page helps Mahirap kasi mag-type at nagsasalita at nag-iisip at the same time. Freelancing practice page. I-delete ko na lang ito mamaya o kaya i-rename ko at aayusin ko. Okay, so this page helps beginners how to run their own. Notice that the character limit is 255. Okay. Notice that yung Grammarly ay nag-activate. Ayan. And then, click on Create Page. Ayan na. So, it has been created na daw. You can now add your profile photo and then yung cover photo. Very similar kapag gumagawa ka ng isang Facebook account. So, I'm very sure that you guys know how to create your Facebook profile, right? So, very similar. Now, how do you do this? Yung profile photo mo, pwedeng actually logo. So, go to Canva. I usually do logo. Tapos, yun yung ginagamit ko para sa profile photo. So, yan. Dito sa logo ng Canva, napakarami ditong mga options. Ayan, the doctor, if you are creating something for the doctor, hospital logo, chiropractor, di ba may chiro agad kanina? Nakita agad yung chiropractor. Based on dun sa ginawa kong post kanina. Ayan, so marami. Art design, fashion. So, pili ka dito ng gusto mo for the beginner. Pero kung gusto mo ng halimbawa, very professional na logo, you can hire a designer for that. Pero for the meantime, dito tayo sa education logo. Kumukuha lang ako ng mga random ha. Let's say for example, freelance to freedom. Kuha lang tayo ng random para mabilis lang yung tutorial natin. Kasi baka antukin naman kayo. Philippines, halimbawa. So, pwede mong i-remove, pwede mong dagdagan, pwede mong palitan yung graphics. So, it's up to you. And then, logo. Test. Then, download. So, PNG file, pwedeng JPEG. Either of the two lang. Let's go with PNG. Tapos, you can drag here. You can drag or you can open a file like that para makita mo siya. Okay? Tapos, cover photo naman. Create a design. Facebook. Cover. Tapos, let us find business. For example, meron ba tayong maganda rito? Carpentry. Palitan mo na lang yung mga image later. Okay, so for example, yan. Test page. Ganyan gumawa ng, titan mo yung font. Dito ka na lang ilagay yung test page. Yan. Next. Tapos papalitan ko yung laptop. Gawin nating laptop yung element niya. So you can choose sa all makikita mo lahat yan, yung graphics, yung photos lang, yung video, yung audio. Punta tayo sa photos. Palitan natin to. Is it better? Better. Okay. Ayan. Test cover photo. Click download. So, ganun lang gumawa ng page. Nandyan na siya ulit. Tapos, ang gagawin natin ay, since nandito siya, i-drag ko lang siya dito. Yan. Tapos, drag to reposition. Yan. Make sure na yung makikita mo dito na optimized siya for mobile and for desktop. Yung ibig sabihin, walang napuputol na text kahit na i-view, sorry guys, sabi ko sa inyo personal account ko to eh. Kahit na i-view nyo yung page through your mobile phone or your laptop is okay. Yan. So, mamaya titignan mo. Kung sakaling hindi siya fit, i-adjust mo siya accordingly para kahit na nasa mobile yung tao, hindi naman naputol yung mga texts na gusto mong sabihin. And then, just go ahead and click on save. Ayan na siya. And now, you are interacting as your page. Ganun lang kadali yun sa simula. Now, if you would like to add your phone number, that is okay. If you would like to add WhatsApp, pero ako, I don't like muna for the time being. And then, click on leave. Tapos, you can create a username. Yung para when people are searching for you, they can search you by the username that you created. So, for example, I'm not gonna click this kasi sabi ko sa inyo test lang naman to. Pero halimbawa, freelancing practice page. Ayan, this username isn't available. It has characters that are not allowed. Ayan. Sorry, nilagyan ko pala ng at. Ayan, so words lang. Okay, so since halimbawa nag-green na to, pwede na yan. Ibig sabihin, every time that I will go to this particular website, I'm just gonna have to click on at freelancing practice page 2022. Tingnan natin yan. Freelance practice. Dapat yung pipiliin mo rin na username hindi masyadong mahaba para madaling mahanap at madaling ma-identify. Okay, so click on username and then it will be done. Okay, I'm not gonna do that kasi mahirap mag-change ng username. I'm gonna change the name of this page in a while. But there you go. I just want to show you how very quickly and very easy that you can create a page. Just follow along. Meron kang mga you can invite friends, of course. So click invite for your page if you wanted to. Tapos you can just follow these. Napansin mo meron pa siyang sabi niya one step left. So follow these until you complete. Para kang gumagawa ng profile lang talaga ng Facebook. So add a profile picture. You're done with that. Save and finish later. No. Sorry. Mark as complete dapat. Ayan, completed. Tapos, provide information. If you already have a website, what location do you have? What's your business hours? Do you have any? Do you have any phone number? So, add an action button. An action button pwedeng send a message, contact us, yung mga ganyan. So, if this is a restaurant, you can create on start order, ganyan. Pero usually ang ginagamit dito, send message, call now or contact us, or send email, or learn more, ganyan. Okay? So, shop on a website if you would like people to directly go to a specific website like Shopify, ganyan. Okay? So, pero, since this is a freelancing page or your page, what you can do is send a message. Now, for example, if this is a dentist page that you created, or gym, okay, a doctor, usually contact us or send a message is okay para they can directly talk to you on the website. Okay, so introduce your page, invite people, welcome people. How you create your post is the very same thing. How you create a post on your Facebook account. So create a post and then this is for the business account. So I'm gonna teach you this one too. So you can create on Facebook, ganyan. You can put photos, get message, you know the drill. Okay, so this is the services. Ito yung mga review. If you have a shop or a website, you can link here. Ayan. So just go ahead and play around with that until you set up your page completely 100%. And that is all for creating a Facebook page. May nakalimutan pa ba ako? Okay. I think that's pretty much everything. So that's how you create your page. You can see here, so click on about, follow mo lang talagyan mo ng details, your location, your website, your phone number. Okay, and then you can also edit. Tapos, this will be your insight. Ibig sabihin yung Facebook report sa'yo. How many people have reached from the business account, from the business page that you have? How many people have engaged to you? How many likes did you get? How many products clicked? You get the idea, okay? So that is how you create a simple Facebook page. You can have unlimited Facebook pages. No worries about that. Pero start with one. If you have not created a Facebook page yet, please go ahead and practice here. Don't worry about perfection. You know, parang coach, ang pangit nung page or something. It's very easy, no? Don't complicate yung paggawa ng logo kasi template naman, may mga template naman tayo dito. You saw me change the image. So if you want na mas maging transparent yung image, ganyan, 'di ba? Tapos kung gusto mong palitan yung kulay, pwede naman. So depende kung anong kulay yung gusto mo, kung may kulay ba yung brand mo, ganyan. or just to be safe, just follow the templates that provided by Canva. Okay, so let's go ahead and see you on the other videos. Let's go and check another tool or another discussion. Okay, so if you have questions about it, madali lang naman, right? I think you can definitely do this. If you have questions, if you want me to edit, or like, coach, what do you think of this page, what do you think of this logo, what do you think of this cover photo, let me know, send me an email, or probably let's do a live coaching about that. We can audit your pages together. Okay, so with that said, I think that's pretty much everything that we will cover on creating a Facebook page. I'll see you on next video.